What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to Security Bag Trading Channel. We back with another episode of Trading Gold with the Gold Gorilla. All right. If you don't know, my name is Chuck. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. What we got here? Let's see. We got the weekly chart up. And as you see from last week, it's the same playouts. We had the arrows already up. Everything played out pretty perfect. What we wanted. We was looking for either a breakout to the low or breakout upward. And we got the breakout upward and it hit the zone. We took profit, immediately jumped into sale. We sold this thing all the way back down. Crazy profit last week. Outstanding week. And we're looking to take it to a whole nother level this week. I'm so excited. And I'm going to show you guys what I have. Honestly, being very honestly, we don't have much change to what I want to see happen. Pretty much the same scenario last week. Maybe the breakout zones are a little bit different, but overall everything's still the same. As you can see, let's scroll down to the daily chart. And all right, here we go. See what I'm talking about here? We see exactly the same thing. I have some marked up stop loss zones here that I'm looking for either to break or not hit at all. Okay, so without further ado, you see the zone we have here still in play. This is very critical. Resistance as support. We're going to see what happened here. Let me open this up just a little bit. So this zone right here is very critical of what will happen. So now, as you see, we had a pullback all the way to 1960. That and another pullback previous couple days, about 6 days ago to 1960 also. So I'm looking for this to be my new break zone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this down here. And I am not gonna play this zone or sell unless that zone is broken. I know it's quite a few pips, maybe probably about 200 pips, but I would, unless I see a clear setup that tells me to sell, I will not sell. Only because this zone is very tricky right now. I'd rather just be patient, sit on my hands, and just wait and make more profit versus being in a negative drawdown. So I am not taking any sales unless this zone is broken, unless I see 100% set up signs of sales. And with the buy also, now before I was looking for if 1975 holds, which is right here, I was looking to sell, but with everything's going on, I'm now went to changing this to now if 1991 or even 2000 is broken. So 1991, I'd be looking to buy if that's broken, but I'm not going to go full into my lot size, a bigger lot size until 2000 is broken and hold. So you could say this zone or go up to this zone. This would be more of a safer play. Okay. But if you look into, you want to jump on a couple more pips and enter a little earlier, looking at maybe about 90 pips prior to 2000 and broke. If you want to play that just to get some more extra funds and be profitable in an extra 90 pips, go ahead and do that. But honestly, I would be very patient. I will wait this out until that is broken. Let's remove this here. We don't need that. All right, so this is the play. 1960 being broken, or 1991, 2000 being broken to a ride back up to the previous high, around 2060, even higher. And let's bring this down. If this is broken, we're looking for this thing to probably make it to maybe 1960, but let's wait on that to happen. I would not go for that trade unless this zone is broken and holds above 280. I would not even attempt to do this trade here. I would just wait on it. So just be very patient. If you're my VIP group, I would definitely be sending out signals for this if it does happen. But as of right now, I just want to keep it simple. Let's go with this trade here. We're going to play this from this zone been broken, this zone been broken, and pull back, and then look for a setup to close back for another sell or a break to go upward. But overall, I think, and what I see here is that once this break, I'm looking for this to continue dropping. Okay, so very, very, very money management is going to be a big key. Patience is going to be a big key in next week trading. And let's scroll down to the 4 hour real quick, see what we see. All right. I don't know if I said already, but I have a special announcement. Well, a special thing I want to show you guys at the end of this trade of gold. I hope you guys enjoy. So what we got here for the 4 hour is same play. This is the zone we're looking at. As you can see, we had a pullback right for the market close. I'm looking for, like I said, this zone to be broken over 2000 area to be broken, or 1991 area to be broken. I also see a little trend here. You can see here. Let's go. Yes, definitely a trend. Got a nice little trend line that's trying to break. Another indicator, I would need that to close above this trend line on the 4 hour before I decide to do anything in a buy. But overall, it can go either direction. Right now, with everything that's going on with Ukraine and Russia playing a big part in the market. So you want to do your best to play it safe. And like I say, just sit on your hands and just wait it out. I know a lot of people like to jump in trades early, but this one is going to play benefits if you be very patient and wait till these zones are broken and close. And then you're able to capitalize and sit back and relax and watch all the profit add up. Okay. That's pretty much it for gold. I'm going to scroll back to the daily because I want to keep that chart as visible for you guys to see. Get rid of that trend. So this is what we have here. And then again, if that's broken, we may possibly come back up. But I think it's going to be either this play break, go up, or break low and keep dropping. But I'm going to leave this up just in case so you guys can see possibility of things going to happen. All right. That's all I have for gold. Good luck on gold next week, you guys. Again, be patient and wait for the setup. Okay. But let's see what the surprise is. All right. Let's give it a minute. This is a surprise I have for you guys. All right. I want to bring, as you know, I trade gold a lot. That is my baby. I consider that the most profitable and one that I really understand. But if you guys didn't know, I also trade Great Britain a lot, Great Britain USD. And behind closed door, I'm killing the game on this thing. So I think it's without say that I go ahead and bring this to the market and start bringing this on to my platform to introduce to you guys to help you guys make profit in Great Britain USD. Also, I was debating on making a separate video on this, but I think I'm gonna just tie this video with gold together. And the first half will be great gold, and then the second half I'll talk about Great Britain USD. So it may make the video a little bit longer, but it's always good to have a second trade as a backup. So if you don't feel comfortable trading gold, go with Great Britain, and you should be good to go. Okay, this is what I have. I've been selling Great Britain since this zone here, and just killing it along with gold. All right. So this is what I have here for next week. We have already got the trend line drawn out, and as you can see before, I had the risk reward ratio that I'm gonna pop back up here in a minute. But what I'm looking for Great Britain is for it to do a slight pullback. All right, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. I'm looking for Great Britain to do a slight pullback down to the first take profit area for me. Possibly another slight pullback, which would be very risky. I probably just hold that trade, enter your this one would be very tricky, that pullback. So once you're in profit here, just put a stop loss at your entry zone and let this thing just go continue. So this would be the first take profit area. If you're gonna take all your profits and just leave this trade alone, if you're happy, this maybe about 50 pips. And then next zone, just take profit area. So we're looking at about 100, maybe 20 pips. And then we pull the risk reward out here, and this what I have. Looking at about a 1 to 6 risk reward. Not bad. This trade is really simple here. I think you guys, if you're new to trading and your funds or your account is not big enough to be trading gold, I would definitely go with this trade here. And but if you're looking for making a lot of money, a lot of quick money, wait till those zones are broke out on gold and you'll be good. But for this, what I have Great Britain, I just want to introduce that to the platform. And from this day forward, I think I'm be dropping Great Britain USD is on this channel along with gold. So these two will share a video together. And I want to thank you guys for jumping on today. And this all I have. Again, if you have any questions, you want to reach out to me. In the description, you will have my link to my Telegram group. And any if you want to jump on my VIP group, you can just hit me up and you can jump on that channel also. If you need a trading journal to write down your success or your updates on everything that you got going on, so you can see what you need to change in your trading style, or if you need help with trying to come up with a trading style, please reach out to me and I will help you out. Again, thank you guys. You have a blessed week. The Gold Gorilla is out. Holla.